So in the second 8 bars of the intro, next to the kick drum and the new kick, I want to also add a bass line. So in order to do that, I'm gonna use Serum. So right now we're gonna load in a Serum. And I'm going to my folder, and I know the synth I have here, this bass. So I have this bass here that can be pretty functional for what I want to do. So let's see. Let's just play around. So we have this bass here. I want to try to get the right groove. So I think this is a good fundament, and I'm gonna assign this to a mixer as well now. And I'm gonna put a sidechain on it. So I put a limiter and a sidechain on the bass sound, but I'm gonna do some equalizing right now. So what I use a lot on basses is actually a wow filter that adds like a vowel sound to the bass. So in order to do that, I use the VST called wow filter, and we put it on vowel mode, and then we put it on band reject. So you can play around with the vowels A and B. I will play the sound and just play around so you can see what it does. So now we have the bass there, and I want to look and find if I can find like another synth shot that can fill up the rhythm. I think this one can suit very well. still have the feeling the punch is a little bit too loud. So now we have basically a big part of the intro, but I'm still want to fill it up with some sound, so I'm just gonna have a look in the map and see what we have. I think this can suit pretty well. Okay, so we added like this this filtered percussion. It gives some extra edge to the intro. I'm gonna assign this one to a mixer chain as well. Maybe cut out some low frequencies. So I'm gonna limit this one as well. And I'm also gonna sidechain it. Oh, by the way, for the sidechain, I mainly use Kickstart by Nicky Romero, and I really like the quick chain. Standard, it opens on free punch, but I always use quick chain. I'm actually playing around here with the cutoff to see if I can find a better sweet spot for the bass. So a lot of time things that you do during producing is just basically trial and error. So right now I'm gonna figure out what works here. So I don't know, maybe it's cool to like make automation out of this cutoff here. So what I do is I play around with it, and then I go to tools, last tweak, create automation clip, and this will basically create an automation clip of the last parameter that I touched with my mouse.